Okay, this project is a puzzle cube project, and this is a puzzle cube right here. And it is actually a 5-piece, 3-dimensional cube, and each of the pieces is unique and hopefully interlocking, although not every piece will be interlocking. And in this project, we will be designing our own puzzle cube. We will be drawing by hand, drawing on the computer in Inventor, and also fabricating this out of 1-inch by 1-inch wooden cubes. The first thing that you need to do is read the direction sheet and understand the different design criteria and constraints. And once you've done that, you can move on to the next page. And the next page is just a breakdown of the design process. And step 1 of the design process is define the problem. And underneath that, you have 3 lines, and in that space, I would like you to rephrase what the problem is in your own words. So what is it that you are trying to solve in this project? Step 2 is brainstorm. And if you read along right below that, use isometric graph paper to create as many unique puzzle part designs as possible. The 3 people with the most unique part designs will win super incredible special prizes. If you're listening to this, you may very well be working alone. But at any rate, if you flip this over, you have isometric graph paper, and we have used this in the past. It just allows you to draw 3-dimensionally. And what we're going to do is draw as many unique parts as we can. We're not going to be worried if these parts, or worried about whether or not these parts actually comprise a completed puzzle or not. We're just trying to think up as many different ideas as possible. And the most basic piece that you can make, you have to use anywhere from 3 to 6 cubes. The most basic piece that you can make is this piece right here. It's just 3 in a row. And to draw that, I'm going to come to the upper left-hand corner of my paper, and I'm just going to draw okay, so that's that piece right there. Each square represents one of these cubes. Now, because my cube only goes in any direction, 3 little wooden cubes, any of my pieces, or all of my pieces, have to be 3 or fewer cubes in any direction. So I can't go 4 cubes in any direction. For instance, this piece would not fit on my cube because it goes too far across. It can only be 3. Once I've drawn that first piece, the next simplest piece is this one, and this is just that 3 cube piece with a little L added on at the end. To draw that guy, I'm just going to come back here. And that is this piece right here. So remember, you can use 3 to 6 cubes. Cannot go more than 3 cubes in any direction. Now the goal is to do at least 20 of these. You cannot duplicate. For instance, I could draw this piece is actually that piece flipped over, so that's no good. Each piece must be unique. So you're looking for at least 20 of those.